Hello everyone, I'm Aarti Chawla and I'm a digital marketing student of Vivek Sir, ABS Ranker. I'm here to share with you all my feedback, my testimony for ABS Ranker and for Sir. I really wanted to share with all of you that I'm really thankful to Vivek Sir and ABS Ranker to take my digital marketing journey to the next level. I have joined Sir's courses of digital marketing, animation, and he has taught me so much. And I must say, I have become so confident in my digital marketing, and I have been getting so many good results. I've become so good in SEO, and that results are shown at my work. All my digital marketing skills that I have learned from Sir is helping me at my work. I'm appreciated at work, my own personal work is taking to the next heights because of Vivek sir's guidance. He has helped me to build my ecosystem so well, and he has been helping me even now. He has been hand holding me to every step. Wherever I get stuck, wherever I doubt, he is always there and he helps me to clear that doubt. Not only that, he has actually taught me a lot of creative ways of making videos. He has given me confidence to teach digital marketing as well, and I am gaining so many skills under him. He has taught me how I can become good at SEO in all aspects of SEO, and how I can rank my website, and I can see my website is ranking better, and I am getting inquiries from students. And I'm really thankful to you, Vivek sir. You have really been such a great help to me. You have hand-holded me, which is most important for any student when he is learning something. So I just like to give my gratitude from the core of my heart. Big thank you to you, and more success to you and ABS Ranker team. Thank you so very much, sir. And I'm looking forward to learn more and more from you. Thank you.